make a little deer meat shepherd's pie today. This is deer and hog. And so we got 3 pounds here. What we're gonna do first up, y'all, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of that Dale's. Pour that Dale's in there on that meat like that. Then we hit it with a little Worcestershire sauce in there. Oh man, like that. Get that in there. We're gonna hit it with them onions, bell pepper, and celery. Hit that in there like that. Get that in there. And then we're gonna hit it with a little black pepper. You know I love my black pepper. Get that black pepper all down in that deer meat like that. We're gonna hit it with a little salt, a little sea salt on top, like that. Then we're gonna hit it with a world famous Southern Boys Outdoors low sodium. Oh, look at that color right there, y'all. Look at that color going on there. Oh man, tell me when it's enough. Oh,
That's enough.
All right, y'all, here we go. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of garlic powder. Brush it with that garlic powder. You see all that color going on there now? Got that garlic powder on there like that. Now, what we're gonna do, y'all, we're just gonna give that a good mix up right there. All right, y'all, we're gonna hit that frying pan with a little bit of peanut oil. The only reason I'm hitting it with a little bit of that peanut oil like that is because that deer meat is so dry. Even though it's got some pork in it, it's still kind of dry. So I just want to put a little bit of oil down on the bottom of that pan to help it keep it from sticking. We're gonna put that ground meat in there, a little bit at a time, y'all. I don't want to splash it out. Now that's all gonna cook down right there. Gonna cook down good. And what we want to do, y'all, we just want to brown that ground meat down. All right, y'all, getting that deer meat all browned down. Got that pork in it. Look at that, y'all. See how dry it is? That's what we're looking for. Get all that juice, cook all that juice out of it. You got that deer and wild hog ground meat all browned down. Now, y'all, we're gonna add some mashed potatoes right here on the top of it. Get the mashed potatoes added on the top of it. You know, this is one of my favorite meals right here, y'all. Shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie over the hog meat. Get that big spoon like that. Oh, come on now, come on, come on. There we go. Get them mashed taters all pushed down over that. Like that, look at that, y'all. Ooh, wee. B, what's it? What do you think, B? Looking good or what?
Looks good.
Right? Got the mashed taters on there. Then, y'all, I got some Kobe Jack mozzarella cheese all trimmed up. We're just gonna start dropping that cheese on there in different spots. You know, we don't have to put it all one way or together. We're just gonna kind of drop it on there all over it. All right, y'all, here we go, getting them last bit of cheese put on there. Ooh, looking pretty, y'all. All right, y'all, now we're fixing to drop it in that oven for about 15 minutes. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, y'all, look at that. Man, don't that look delicious? All right, y'all, look at that right there. Get that cheese. Y'all look down in here. Watch this. Let's get down in there, B. Ooh-wee, look at that. Got that deer meat down in that bottom, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, this deer meat is mixed with pork. Oh, man. Y'all, this here is by far one of my favorite meals. B, can you see that? Look at that. Look at that color in that. Huh? Check that out. All right, y'all, we got 2 different types of cheese on here. Mozzarella, Kobe Jack cheese. Got some corn. We got some ground meat. We got some mashed potatoes down in there. Onions, bell peppers. Oh, man, you know I like to mix that corn in it like that. You know one thing, y'all. You know it's going to be good. Hey, you got to try this awesome recipe with your deer meat mixed with a little bit of pork. It just don't get no better than that. Awesome. Deer season's right around the corner. Awesome, awesome recipe, y'all. It just don't get no better than this right here.